Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this old Chevy pickup truck. I already took this apart, but I noticed when I closed my window here, this gate or this door, the window was in, but I'd noticed that when I would shut it, that everything was like I had a lot less space here than I had over here. But I figured out these ends have rivets that hold this together. They have given way. What I'm planning on doing is drilling out the rest of these rivets and put new rivets in to hold this back together. So I've already taken the rubber out of this. This window has rubber all the way around it that protects it from obviously banging around in there. I drilled these rivets out. There was one still stuck in here. I got to drill this one up here, and then a couple pieces of this. What I'm thinking about doing is, instead of having rivets that go part way through, I have some rivets that I think will reach all the way through. I'm gonna go ahead and drill a pilot hole all the way through so I can get the rivet all the way through. Make it a little bit bigger to get that rivet out of there. Having a hard time drilling this rivet out, so I'm going to put this in here as a placeholder and drill it from the other side. Alright, now I'm just might hit these with a little bit of paint. But other than that, should be good. Much better. So that was just a cool little quick video. I just want to share that with you as I was fixing this door, so you might get some ideas if you have the same issue going on. If you enjoyed this video, think about hitting the like button. It helps other people get to see the video. Until next time guys, good luck with all your projects.